Are you still confused about how to take screenshots on a laptop? Whether you want a full screen, autosave screenshot, or selected area, today I will show you 3 easiest screenshot methods that work on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So stay till the end. Method 3 is the popular and best one. Number 1. First method is using the PrtScn key. For that, just press PrtScn on your keyboard and open Paint or Word, and just press Ctrl+V. You can see screenshot is taken here. It's best when you want quick full screen capture. Number 2. Second method is Windows plus PrtScn. For that, just press Windows plus PrtScn together on your keyboard. Your screen will flash for a second. That means the screenshot is taken. You can see screenshot is taken here. This captures your entire screen automatically. The screenshot is saved directly on your laptop. Number 3. This is my favorite and the most powerful method. Third method is the Win plus Shift plus S shortcut. For that, just press Windows plus Shift plus S on your keyboard and select the area that you want to take by using Tool. You can see your screenshot is copied to clipboard. Now you can save this image or open in any tool. Now you know 3 easy ways to take screenshots on a laptop or PC. Tell me in the comments, which method do you use the most? Comment 1, 2, or 3. And if this helped you, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.